Use a flashlight to locate the security gateway module underneath the dash on the driver's side. Unplug the 12-wire connector from the security gateway module. Insert the connector into the Autostop Eliminator, then plug the Autostop Eliminator into the security gateway module. Use a zip tie to secure the device to the adjacent factory wiring harness as shown. Remove the excess from the zip tie. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Ram truck. Don't be fooled by the hacks and knockoff products. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle and it's easily removed, so you don't have to worry about your warranty or lease agreements.